Okay. So what is testing? Tell me. Every day we have to recap and next class. So what is testing? What you have understood from the testing terminology?
Okay, so testing is like some kind of method where we check all the functionality in the application as per our client expectation, and we match the all kind of business requirements um, to deliver the stockholder or end user.
Okay. So that's correct only. Okay. So testing is a process by which we are going to check the quality of the application, right? The quality parameters are like it should be the product should be reliable, right? Product should complete, correct?
Yes,
Product should
but my
you will
answer was correct or not?
correct. Your answer is correct. If you will include these parameters also, behavior, performance, these also here, then it will be best. Okay. Your answer is good. Okay. But we are looking for best, correct? Your answer
Yes,
is 100% correct. No one is going to say wrong. Okay. But if you will add also the parameter, then they will understand, okay, if the person is going to take your interview, they are able to understand, okay, if I will provide the any product, this guy is going to test in this particular parameter. Correct?
yes.
Yeah. So still those people have not joined.
I'm trying to connect with the Shujon, but he's not answering my call.
Okay.
Let me try it again.
Yeah, just 2 minutes more, then we'll start.
Hi, this is Kazu Sujan.
He's not answering.
Yeah, so
Hi, good morning.
yeah, hi, good
Uh,
morning.
How
How
are
are
you?
you? Yeah, I'm good.
Good. Good, thank you.
Okay. So we have just going to start. Okay. So
Thank you.
Raman, shall we start now? It's
Yeah,
almost
good.
okay. So whether Kaji is going to join?
Yeah, I'm trying, but he's not answering.
Okay, fine.
ফোনটা নিয়ে দাও তো।
Uh, we can wait 1 more minute, then we will start.
No, he's
Good.
not answering the call, so just start.
Okay, then let's start. Okay. So let me share my screen, guys. So yesterday we have discussed two topics. That's testing and objective of the testing. Correct? Correct,
Yes.
guys. So testing.
And like, what is the manual testing tool? Because right?
Yes, correct. That was the content we have discussed. Okay. But no terminology. So let me share my screen and then we will start our session. Okay, guys.
Sure.
Hope you guys are able to view my screen.
Yeah, what is the testing?
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Let me share my screen. Why? Are you guys able to view my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Like,
The software and the reduced the risk of private open software testing activities.
Correct, guys. So yesterday we discussed about what is testing. Okay. So basically testing is what? Process by which we are going to assess the quality of the product or application. Correct. In the testing, we are going to verify the different parameters. So what was that parameter? First one is what? Rahman? Completeness of the product, reliability of the product or application. Correct.
yes.
Behavior of the application. After that,
Reduce the risks,
customer
satisfaction of
expectations.
coding.
Customer expectations. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And also it should be in your budget, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. So those are the things we are going to discuss. We are going to verify in testing. Correct. So
Yes.
budget
Yeah.
will come later because UAT people and senior manager is going to evaluate that part. Okay. But as a tester, you are going to check these parameter: performance, behavior, functionality of the application, reliability of the product. Okay, complete test of the product. Fine. And also we
Yeah.
have discussed. Yeah, please go ahead.
I have the question. Let's say if someone asks us like what is the object like of the software testing? If like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8, if we do like you know like rich mass like this mass, so it will good. Like let's say defect, like you say the prevent defects. Then if I say the verify the requirements, then I say the reduce the risks. It will good.
In any sequence, if you will say, that's correct.
Okay.
This is only the objective. Okay, whatever the sequence. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, first one is what? It is going to prevent the defect. Second one is what? Evaluate work product. Third one is what? Verify requirement. Validate, test object. Build confidence. Reduce risk. Share information to stakeholders, and find failure and defects. These are the 8 objectives which we have already discussed yesterday, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if whatever the sequence you have to just whenever in the interview, if you are able to say at least 5 6 also, that is
That's
fine.
fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
But my suggestion to you, try to give all the 8. So there is no clue, there is no chance of there is no chance that the person is not going to select you. Okay. So
Yeah.
try to give 100%. Now we are going to discuss about the testing and debugging. Correct. So testing is a process to verify whether the system is working in the same way as expected and to ensure that the software is defect free. Correct. Just now,
Yeah.
Yes.
basically, why we are going to do the testing?
Just ensure the application is working as
Yes, as per the user acceptance, right? Or user or
Requirement.
client or stakeholders
requirements.
requirements.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Who is going to do this? The tester does this to identify the error bug in the system.
Yeah. Tester
Who
makes
is
sure that everything
performing?
is correct. Yeah. Tester.
Correct. Yeah. Error and bug in the system. Now let me tell you, error and bug both are different thing. Okay, both are not the same thing, but defect and bug both are same thing. Note it down if you want to note down. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now the question is coming, what is error and what is bug? Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? So suppose you are
Yeah.
going to write a program. Okay, you are a Java developer. Suppose we ultimately we are going to study the Java. Correct? Yes or no? So whenever if I'm going to ask you, write a program to add 2 numbers. Correct? Yes or no? But
Write
if
it.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
yes,
Write a program.
to add 2 number, arithmetic operation,
Oh, okay.
addition,
Yeah. Yeah.
add 2
Okay.
number addition. Okay.
Okay.
But whenever you're going to write, might be some of the syntax you forget. Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? Java syntax, Python syntax, maybe you forget the syntax. and due to that reason, when you are going to execute your application, you are not getting the result. Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? So due to error, bug will appear. Because what is error? Error is what? You have done the mistake into the coding. Correct?
Yes.
So basically error is what? Human mistake. Who is going to do? Human will do that mistake in the coding. That is the reason you, as a tester, you are getting that particular defect into the application. Correct? If developer will do some mistake, then only you will get the defect. Correct?
Yes. So there is like two scenario. It could be the developer or it could be mine too. Like if I do the script, there is
So a
it,
script,
it
so see, a
could be
script,
error to me.
you see, you are a tester, you are not a developer. So you are not going to develop the application. You are going to write the script to test the application.
Yes.
Okay. So whatever maybe, so if you will not write the correct script,
That
okay,
would be error too.
you will be not able to test the application.
Yes.
Okay, so that is not the correct word. Okay, developer will do the mistakes in the coding. Okay, then only you will get the wrong result. Correct? So that is what defect or bug. Now clear what is the difference? Error is just one liner, error is a human mistake. Okay, and due to error we will get the defect or bug. Now clear?
Okay, so
Yeah.
just do the clarify, like
Okay,
the
so
defect, it like whatever we have do the expectation is not meet with the expectation. That's the defect.
exactly, see, any
And
difference, see, the definition of defect is what? Variance between expected and actual result
is
is
the
a defect,
defects
is a
or bug.
defect
Yeah.
or bug. Okay, error is what? Any syntax mistake in the application or any human mistake.
Okay.
Any human mistake, any kind of a human mistake.
That
Yes.
means error. Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Okay.
See, if you want to start a car, first you need to put the petrol, right, or diesel, right, or gas, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Without putting a petrol, gas, or whatever, how you will able to start the car?
Yeah, we can do that.
Correct.
Yes.
Sometimes we used to forget and we haven't checked our bike tanki or whatever maybe, so we are not able to start the bike, right? So that is
Yeah.
also a human mistake, right? Due to that
Yes.
reason we are not able to start our bike. That is the defect.
Yeah.
Got it, Rahman? Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
So who is going to do the testing? Tester. Now debugging. Testing can happen manually as well as through automation. So we can do the testing either manually or either automation. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. If an error or bug appears in a program, the developer identifies an corresponding failure and fixes it. Correct?
And that no, that does only developer they can do the fixed, or they're gonna send again tester. You can fix it again.
No. Tester is
No,
not
no.
going to fix the
Developer.
bug. Only developer is going to fix the defect. Your job is what? To find the defect. And that defect you need to assign to the developer. Okay. Developer is going to verify that defect from their end. If the defect is what? Correct. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Then he is going to fix. If defect is what? Maybe repeated defect or maybe, duplicate defect, right?
Yes.
See,
Yeah.
in a team, there are multiple person are there. You are also working and Rahman is also working, right? Correct.
Yeah.
So both are working in the same project. If Rahman have already identified that particular defect yesterday and today you are going to report the same defect, and then both are going to assign to the developer. What developer will do? Developer is going to say it is a duplicate defect. Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So
Here.
then developer will be fix it, right?
Developer is
Yeah,
going to
developer will fix everything.
fix whatever the
We just
defect you
check.
are, he is going to
Okay.
just check. So we should not raise the duplicate defect.
Okay, Rohit, here I have the one question. I see like so
Let me
many
let me complete, then you will ask.
okay,
Okay.
okay, go ahead. Yes.
So
Go ahead.
in so basically what is, so how to track means how to, how I am able to do that, whether the Rahman have raised the yesterday defect or not, correct? Yes or no?
Yeah, how to
Yes.
Because
track, yes.
both are working, how I am going to ensure that, okay, I am not going to raise the duplicate defect, correct? So okay, so basically first of all, whatever the tool you are going, before raising any defect, whatever the tool or you are going to use, either it is a Jira, either it is Azure board, first you need to check the defect in that. Okay, what if he have already raised, okay, then you should not duplicate the defect. If he have not raised, then only you are going to raise the defect. You need to create
Yeah.
the defect into the, you know either Azure board, either Jira, either ALM, whatever maybe the tool you are using. Now clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
because you have to ensure that you should not, if you are going to create the duplicate defect, okay, it means what, your potential is not good, you are not capable, because you are identifying the defect after Rahman have already identified. Getting my point?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so always identify the unique defect, not the duplicate defect. You understood how if you both are working in different region also you can check into the
I have a question. Like
centralized
this,
centralized tool, that is Jiran. Yeah, please go ahead.
uh, like this, like dev tester, like only is program is only one defect. How can we find out different defect?
There are multiple defects.
Yeah.
Okay,
I,
once we are going to do the projects, then I will show you
yeah.
how many defects. Okay, but
Okay.
just
Okay.
now you have asked, let me tell you the scenario. Suppose I am going to assign both of you test the login functionality or login functionality of any application, suppose LinkedIn, right?
Yeah.
Have you heard
So
of
that's
Facebook?
Rohit.
Like Facebook. Yeah, yeah,
Rohit, give me 1 second. Hold on.
yeah.
Just give us like some the real scenario because I am so confused why they are assigning the same the user history or the work the different guy like the same user history or
Not
same
same,
feature.
see, in the real-time project they will not assign you the same user story. You can work in the same project but into the different
Yeah.
user story.
So
Okay,
how will come the you say the double or no duplicate?
duplicate
Yes,
defect, duplicate
yes,
defect.
duplicate it. So how
So
it
that,
is
for that,
possible?
see, for those stuff practically you will do in the project, but if you have asked, let me tell you. Okay, because I want to first clear your conceptual, or what are the concept I want to cover. Okay, once you are going
Yeah.
to do apply that concept into that project, then you will able to understand. Okay, okay, then you are able to, you will be clear. But just now you have asked, let me give you the answer. See, suppose I have assigned the login functionality of the application to test login functionality user story to the Rahman, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So correct, and I have also assigned next user story, I have assigned reset password link to the you. What's your name? Sorry, Soheb. What's your name? Soheb?
My name is Shobuz. Shobuz.
Shobush. Okay.
Yeah.
You are from uh, basically?
Bangladesh. Same Bangladesh.
His name is
Oh,
Green.
No.
okay. Okay, okay. Sure, Shobush. So
Yeah.
basically, see, I am going to assign you the second user story, reset password. Reset password. See, any
Okay.
application in Facebook also we have a reset password, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also we have a login page, correct? So
Yes.
so you have asked, that is the reason I'm taking this real time example. Okay, So login functionality you are checking. How you are going to check?
The same way. There's like login functionality, we can put the username and password, or
But password
See,
is wrong. We can just put in another forget password. Then we can put
see,
different password. That's it. Yeah.
no, not that's it. We have to design the number of test scenario. Okay.
yes,
First
Yeah.
scenario is what? You are
the
going to
positive.
test. Wait. Let me come. Explain. No, Subos. Because
Okay.
everyone here to learn, right? Correct. I need to take care
Yeah.
of everyone. Okay. So first is what? How you are going to how you are going to log into the Facebook. You are going to use the what? Valid username and valid password. Correct.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
Second attempt, maybe user can do invalid username and valid password. Invalid
yes,
means what?
Yeah.
You are taking the Rahman ID and you putting your password. That is what
That
invalid,
go.
correct?
Yeah. This is there. It doesn't go through.
Correct.
Yeah. I know.
So
Yeah.
user can do anything, correct? Third one
yes,
is what? Valid username and invalid password. Correct?
Yeah.
Invalid, wrong password you are giving. Fourth scenario is what? You are going
Uh,
to you are going to enter the username, but you are not going to enter the password. And
yes,
then clicking on login functionality. Scenario number 4, correct?
yes,
yeah.
Scenario number 5 is what? You are not going to enter the username, only you are going to put the password and then you are clicking on login button. This is scenario number 5, only
yes,
testing the login functionality. Now, scenario number 6 is what? You are not going to put anything, not username, not password, you are going to click on login button.
yes,
6, right? Yes or no?
yeah,
Yes.
Correct. So this is the 6th scenario we have to write minimum for testing the login functionality. Now understood, suppose
Yes.
if
not
also
only the 3. Okay,
if also there is any like
wait
the
wait
special
wait wait
character,
no, invalid username is what? It is going to cover anything. Hello,
okay,
Rahman.
yeah,
Invalid
yeah, I
user
understand.
means what? You
Yes,
can
I
put the
understood.
number, you can a special character, all this stuff. Okay, if you are going to put all these, no, see, as I told you right yesterday, we cannot test each and everything. If I'm going to assign the task, any application, I'm going to give you the calculator, right? Calculator application you must have in your system or in your cell phone, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes or no? And you know
Yes.
the natural numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dot, 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 infinitive, correct?
yeah,
Yeah.
Yes or no? If I'm going to assign the task, Rahman, do the addition for all the natural numbers. Test that in your calculator which you have built, which you have created with the Java. Are you able to complete the testing in this particular life?
no,
Correct? Because still infinitive, whatever number
Yeah.
you are going to imagine above that, correct?
Yeah.
So that is the reason in very first class, as I told you, right, we cannot test each and everything, correct?
yeah,
Yes or no?
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
We all are human being, we are not a god to test each and everything. Okay. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Either in software industry, either in product industry, either in manufacturing industry, whatever the industry, or either in your day-to-day life, in your personal life, okay, in your office life, whatever may be. Okay, we cannot test each and everything and we cannot control each and everything. That is not in our hand. Clear? Always, try to think in this perspective. Now, now the question is coming, Rahman, you should ask this question. Then those type of application, how I'm going to test? How I will get a confidence? One of the objective of the testing is what? Build confidence, correct?
yes,
Yeah.
Correct? Yes or no? So
yeah,
those type of application, we are going to take 1 or 2 input from the natural numbers, a maximum 3 input. Suppose I'm going to take 1 plus 9 or 1 plus 100 and 1 plus 1000. That's all. We will verify 1 or 2 data from each sets for all natural numbers, then we can check. Suppose I'm going to ask you test all the prime numbers. So you can take in the series of, in the set of prime numbers, you can take 2 to 3 and test your application. That's all. You can say that it is working fine for the natural numbers. It is, this particular application is working fine for prime numbers. Clear? Now getting?
Yeah.
Rahman and Subodh,
Yes, yes.
Yes.
both.
Yes.
Okay, see, I'm taking the real time example so that it should be clear in your mind. In front of interviewer also, you are able to give these kind of example. Clear? Anyone have any doubt?
Yes. No.
Rahman, do you have any confusion in your mind?
No, no, no.
Now clear? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is what testing. Okay. Now let's discuss about the debugging. Debugging is an unstructured and step-by-step manual process to find and eliminate a specific system error. Okay.
Testing, debugging.
Yeah, I will give you the real-time example. Don't worry. From your only, whatever work you are doing, what exactly you are doing? Tell me.
Me?
Yes, Subho or
I'm driving Uber.
okay. What about you, Rahman?
Same.
Okay, same. Okay, then I will take the same. Oh no, Uber is also famous in India. Okay, so depending. Okay, okay. Don't worry. I will take the example from that only. Okay, so depending on the defects reported, the developer begin to diagnosis a program, a code to find a bug. Okay, so try to understand the first line. Debugging is an unstructured. Unstructured means what? We can start from any time. Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Now let me give you the simple example from your Uber car. Okay, suppose you are not able to start the car. What will be your first step?
Mm, First off, I'm gonna check if everything is okay.
No,
It doesn't.
what will be everything is okay doesn't give us the clear idea. What exactly you are going to do?
I
Maybe
send to
first you are
mechanic.
going, no,
No,
why?
first,
First you need
no,
to
no,
check
first
whether
we
your
are check the
battery
key.
key, correct, key. Maybe you are going to check first, battery, correct?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can
Maybe,
Yeah.
check the key,
maybe,
key
maybe,
batteries, oil,
maybe the wire connection
engine.
inside that, correct?
Yeah.
So any one of the step you are going to start, correct?
Yeah.
First, yes or no?
Yes.
Rahman, yes or no?
Yes,
Either you can check first key and then you are going to check battery, or either you can start with battery, then you are going to check the key, correct?
yes.
Yeah.
We all are. So that is the reason debugging. This process is known as debugging. Means what? Why? What is the root cause and how to? We debugging is what? Why we are going to do? To find the root cause of the issue. Okay. What? See, if you are not able to start the car, it means what? You are finding the reason behind that. Why I am not able to start the car, right?
Yes.
Maybe battery is what low. Maybe you forget the key. Correct? Yes or no? Maybe some wires are
Yes.
loose in your engine, which is going to connect with the battery. Correct?
Yeah.
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 See, multiple things. See, you guys are know better than me, right? In the Uber, right? So, but I'm only driving the car. That's all. But
So
yeah, yeah, Raman. So,
debug,
yeah,
like we do the testing and you see the debugging. So debugging, who does that? The developer or we just the
developer.
yeah. So debugging,
Okay, okay.
testing and
Developer.
debugging. Okay.
Or
Okay.
testing is done by a tester. Okay, see, if you will put your car into the garage, mechanic is going to check from randomly, from he will start checking from any step. Either he will check from first battery, or either he will check from the engine. Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Correct. So that is the reason debugging is known as unstructured process. Means what? There is no a specific step. Clear?
Yeah.
Like, see, if some issues you are not able to start the car, that is the reason you went to garage, right? But the same task in the car, if I will ask you start the car, what will be your first step? You are going to take the key, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So first step is what? Without key, you are not able to start, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no, Rahman?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So starting the car steps are defined, okay? But debugging why you are not able to start the car, that process is known as debugging, okay? And you are testing whether you are able to start the car or not. So first step, second step, and third step, like that, that is the process for starting the car. That is what the testing. Once you have tested that, okay, I am not able to start the car, you are going to put that particular car into the garage, and mechanic is a developer, okay? He is going to solve your issue, and then again you are going to verify, to again you are going to start the car, then you can verify, okay, my car is working fine, correct?
Yeah.
Clear? Clear or not? The
So,
difference
Yeah.
between debugging and testing.
you know,
So
that's like concept, like as a define is
Uh,
good, but debugging we don't do anything debugging. Let's say
no,
you
no,
said,
you are not going, developer is going to do.
so why is come the debugging here?
See, why not it will come? You should know all the terminology. If your manager is going to start is going to tell you do the debugging, is it your job?
Okay, so
You should know,
debugging
like,
is no debugging. No. Let's make it easy. Debugging is like a step to a step. What we are testing, that's we are doing the step to a step, right? And after all this step
not
is
a
done.
step. This is unstructured. Debugging is unstructured. You can start debugging from any place. Suppose you have a 4,000 lines of code. Okay. If
Yeah.
you, or maybe some application have, 4 lakhs line of code. If
Okay.
he is going to check line by line for debugging, do you think he is able to resolve the defect in this
No.
particular year?
No.
That is the reason it is unstructured. What is the fault? Like in the garage, if your mechanic is going to open each and everything, tire, tube, engine, seat, everything, then when he is going to complete, when he is able to resolve the your issue, it will take so much time, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? So that is the
yes.
reason developer know where to start and how to provide you the quick solution. Okay. So there is not a defined process for debugging. That is the reason we used to
I,
say it is unstructured.
if
Clear?
developer is not find out the any problem, then that times what can we do?
No, developer is, see, that is there.
This
See,
is the developer
your
job, right? Okay,
see,
good.
testing is your job, and
Yeah.
debugging and development is your developer job.
Okay.
Okay. See, you are riding the Uber cab, right? So
Yeah.
driving is your job, right? But
Yes.
owning the Uber organization, whose job?
They're gonna give me a job, Uber organization. Yeah.
Sure, sure.
Management, right? One word,
Yeah.
management.
Yeah.
Correct? So that is not
Yes.
your anything will happen and all, right? Okay,
That is
developer must correct the code so that the actual result is the same as expected. Exactly. So that is what you guys are asking, right? Who will do? Developer is going to do. Developer is going to fix that. So now the question is coming, why we require the debugging? To find the root cause of the defect and bug. Clear?
So you said to find the root cause of defect the bug, right?
Yeah,
Like,
defect or bug, and to resolve that issues or defect. Okay, clear?
okay.
Any doubt? Tell me.
No, that's
So
fine.
Yeah, so testing is what done by tester, debugging is done by
Developer.
developer, guys. See now, this is this particular parameters will clearly you guys are able to understand this, and the why we are going to do testing. Objective is what? The purpose of testing is to find error and bug in the application, correct? Is this
Yes.
correct or not?
Yes, it's
Right.
correct.
Debugging is what? The process of debugging is to correct the error found during the testing process. Now got it?
The purpose of debugging
Is correct the error found during the testing. See, some of the car have some manufacturing defect, right?
yeah, it could be.
It could be, right? Or application also, if you are testing any application, might be developer have missed some syntax, or
Yes.
maybe developer have written the wrong logic. Your requirement is what? Adding the two natural numbers, and I know developer have written the logic multiplication of two numbers. Then it's wrong, right?
Yes.
Correct. So to correct that, the purpose of debugging is to correct the error found during the testing process. If you are getting wrong result, you have produced the you have created the defect. Who is going to perform? Okay, tester or sometimes developer perform the testing. Okay, now the question is coming, which type of testing done by the developer, correct? Yes or no?
Unit test. Yes.
Yes, excellent, excellent, good answer. Unit testing is done by developer because he is going to write the program. And who is going to do the debugging? So many times
Developer.
I told you.
Developer.
Yeah,
Developer.
developer,
Developer.
correct? So your mechanic is what? Developer. Okay. Next is what? Automation. Testing can be manual or automated, correct?
Yeah.
Yes or no? But debugging cannot be automated because manually we have to correct
Fix it.
that error or fix that error,
Yeah. Yeah.
correct? Testing. Most testing requires no source code knowledge.
Mm,
No source code, because you are not a developer, right? Yes or no?
yeah.
So no need to, expert in programming language. Okay. Because mostly first we are going to do the functional testing. After the functional testing means what? Manual testing. After that, we are going to create the regression shoot. Yes or no? After the regression shoot, we are going to do the automation, correct?
So you're gonna show that like regression, other tests.
Yes, man. In the very first day, which me and you have already discussed, right?
Okay, you're
This
gonna
is
show
stuff.
us, right?
Yes,
Okay.
you have to do the. See, you are going to do. I will verify whether it is correct or wrong in project. You have
Like
to write the functional test
like
scenario.
what is the like functional testing, regression testing? So
That see functional regression definition and concept I will explain you, and then same thing you have to perform practically in project. Getting my
okay.
point?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
See, concept you can you will get from anywhere. Okay, but if you will do the project, that will helps you. Then you will not able to forget in your entire life. Okay. Debugging is what? Debugging needs proper source code knowledge. Means what? If developer, see, mechanical should know how to fix the engine, right? Yes or no? That
Yeah.
guy must
Yes.
be a mechanical engineer, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So
Yes.
this is the difference. Okay, clear?
The different tester and developer.
Testing and debugging. The difference between testing and debugging, not tester and developer. This
The,
is the
the
difference between testing.
debugging to pay, all they're gonna pay fix it the developer, right?
Yeah, debugging is done by developer. Testing
Yeah,
is
yeah.
done by tester.
My tester, yeah. Okay.
Okay,
So
or
this is the
sometimes developer is also going to do the testing, that is unit testing.
Okay.
Clear? Rahman, Subos, anything else?
No, thank you. I think it's
Okay.
okay.
Now the next question is coming is that why testing is necessary. This is a very famous question they will ask you in the interview.
Yeah.
Okay, very famous question. See, let me give you the simple example. Suppose if
Yes.
you are driving a Uber car, right?
Yes.
Suppose you want to buy a car, where you have to go? You have to go to the showroom, right?
Yeah.
Correct? And you have to, whatever the car you are going to select, before that you usually take the not you, everyone is going to take the what, test drive, right?
Yes.
Correct. So test drive means what?
Test drive means this car is
We are going to build the confidence on us that okay, this particular product or whatever the brand we are selecting, either Mercedes and all, that is what correct, and that is what quality product, correct, Rahman?
Yes.
So okay, so why testing is necessary? To build the confidence on
confidence.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, basically you are going to build the confidence on the product which you are going to buy, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? So in the software industry also, you are going to test the, you are going to build the confidence on the application which your customer is going to buy from you. Now clear?
Yeah.
Clear or not? So why testing is necessary? The testing is important since it discovers defect, bugs before the delivery to the client. Yes or no? Which guarantee the quality of the
Good
software.
software.
Yes, if you are taking the test drive, it means what? It is going to give you the guarantee that okay, this is what, quality product.
Yeah. And if I find out any defects or anything, no, that's why
Then and there
a
we will
little,
reject that particular product.
yeah.
Correct? It
Yeah.
makes the software more reliable and easy to use. Yes or no? Testing is what?
Yes.
It is going to make the software more reliable
And
and
easy to
easy to use. Thoroughly tested software ensures reliable and high performance software operation. That is what I was telling you, Rahman. In any application, whatever the application or product we are going to test, we have to first check the reliability of the application, performance of the application or product, behavior of the application, right? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Usability of the application, correct? There are so many parameters, etc.
And
Correct?
this is will be the necessary too.
Exactly. That is so. See, whatever, say, simple example, guys. First day, Rahman, we had a discussion, right? In this particular training itself. Yes or no?
Yeah.
First day, I have understand your requirement, correct? Yes or no? Tell me honestly. Let me take the
Yes.
simple example. Very
Yeah.
first day, Rahman,
Yeah. Yeah.
we have almost 1 hour or more than 1 hour discussion, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
After that, second class, you know, that day first class you told me that okay, just show me what are the content and all. Then I said okay, I will prepare and then I will let you know, correct?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Then again I have prepared you, I have prepared that content, I have show you right this much time and all this, table and all, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Then yesterday I have given you almost 1 hour total, free to ask, whatever the question, personal question and all this stuff, right? And what is the terminology, the mode of, training and all, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? Then after third day, you get the confidence, okay, this is the Rohit, okay, and I will go with the training, correct?
Yes.
So basically, see, basically last 3 days you are evaluate, you are going to test me, right? You have already tested me, right? 3 days, correct?
Yes.
What is the purpose of testing? To build the confidence on you, because whatever the trainer I'm going to select, whether he is able to deliver all the concept which we have discussed or not? Correct?
Yes.
See, be honest, be transparent. Okay. In India, in ISTQ world, I am the top 10 trainers. Okay, guys, in testing. Okay. Or entire, in ISTQ, I'm ISTQB certified. I will show my, certificate also. Okay. When we are going to do the project, and I can show you, I'm ISTQB certified trainer. Okay. So last 3 days, why we are? Because that is the necessary part. We should not involve in anyone else that who is not able to deliver the, training in that way which you required. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So my mode of training is what? Always first I need to understand what exactly you need. Correct? And where you are, what is the technical level you have. Yes or no? Then
Yes.
I need to start. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
See, every person or every batch or every human being had the different way of understanding, a different mindset and different, view. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
See, maybe for you, Rahman, I am very good person. Maybe some other person, maybe I'm not a good person.
Yes.
Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, this is, see, we all are human being.
Yeah. This is.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So that is the reason why testing is required, because testing is important not only to get the job. In your day-to-day life also, we are always going to test. See, every day you guys are eating food or not?
Yes.
Yes. So every day you are telling to your family that, okay, taste was awesome, right? Taste was not good. Taste was what? Bad. Correct?
Yeah.
Whatever the food.
Yeah.
Correct? Yes or no? So
Yes.
basically testing is an important, part of our life. Without testing, we will not survive, not only to get the job, even without testing. Okay. Without test, if you are going to eat anything, you will die. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you will, catch the fish and without, doing anything, without, preparing the fish curry and all, directly if you are going to eat the, just catch from the sea, and then directly if you are going to eat, we all are human being, right? We will not survive. Yes or no?
Right. Yes.
Correct, Rahman?
Yes.
Yeah. Everything have a right process.
Everything have the
Yeah.
process, and testing is required in day-to-day life, in software industry, in manufacturing industry, okay, whatever the industry. Okay. Now, simple thing, why the person is going to take the interview? To test your technical skill. Yes or no?
Yes.
That
Yeah.
is
Yes.
Yeah.
also
You know
also a
the.
type of testing, right? To
Yes.
select
Yes.
the appropriate person.
Right.
Yes or no? Rahman,
Yes.
are you
Yes.
Yes.
getting why testing is necessary?
Yes. Yes.
You got the job in Uber, first they must have tested your driving skill. Correct? Yes or no? They must,
Yes.
they must have, verify your, DL and all,
They
driver's
must
license and
verify.
all.
Yeah.
Correct? So those are what? That is the reason testing is what necessary. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Now we are going to discuss about testing contribution to success. Okay. So how testing is going to contribute the success. Okay. So guys, you you both have selected in Uber organization, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? First they have taken the test, driving test, or whatever the skills, right, is required for that particular job. They have, you guys have given, and you guys have passed, and then they have selected you, right? They have offered you, right, for the job.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
If without testing, if they could have, offer the job and without knowing the driving skill, and if you are going to drive the car on the main city, or what will happen? Definitely you will
Something
met with
problem.
the accident.
Yeah.
That is, I'm damn sure. Correct, Rahman?
Yes.
Correct. So that is the reason we are going to do the testing, and if we will validate and if we are going to choose the right person, then it is going to contribute to the end customer success, to the end customer, right? So your end customer is what? Uber end customer is what? General people. Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct, Rahman? Who is the end
Yeah.
customer of the Uber?
I'm sorry.
Who is the end customer of the Uber?
The customer,
End
the
last customer. End customer means what?
rider.
No, right. Okay, got it. Clear? Hello?
But is not correct
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah. See,
The rider is the end user for the Uber.
yes, yes. General people only, right?
Yes. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's the rider, because rider are general people.
Okay.
General
So
people.
correct. So due to the presence of defect, the system failed to perform the required operation and didn't meet the client requirements. Yes or no? If you don't know the how to ride the uh, how to ride the car, then what will happen? You met the accident, right? Definitely you
Yeah.
will met the accident. So due to the presence of defect in you, the system failed. Uber process will fail to perform the required operation. Required operation is what? Your required operation is what?
Testing.
No. Your required operation is what? To get the people from one place to another place, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So that particular operation is what? Failed and didn't meet the client requirement.
MS. Yes.
Correct. So that is the reason, if you will not do the testing, then it will fail. Okay. Appropriate testing technique applied to each test level along with a proper level of test expertise. See here, Rahman, here is a catch. Appropriate testing techniques. Correct. Just now I have given you the example. If I'm going to if I will ask you to test the calculate application for all natural numbers, so you just now you said, right, in my entire
Yeah.
life I am not able to test that particular application. Correct?
Yes.
Because 1 to infinity. Correct, Rahman?
Yes. So there is some techniques of
Yes,
the testing.
exactly. That technique we have to apply. Okay, and those technique I will explain you here also, and those technique we will apply in the application also to test the application. Okay, because we are going to do the project, right?
Yes.
Along with the proper level of test expertise, ensure an absolute reduction in the frequency of such software failure. Okay, so these are the points. Next point is what?
Testing
Involvement
So,
of
procedure.
tester. Yeah,
Rohit, can
yeah,
you go back again, please?
yes.
So what is the purpose for that?
Purpose C, what is testing contribution to success? If we will not do the testing, then we will not success. In the
Okay.
result, you will not achieve. Okay. Suppose
Okay.
why you are using the calculator application? To perform the arithmetic operation fast, right?
Yes.
Manually, if you will do, then it will take so much time, and there might be what? Chances of getting the, we all are human being, right? Maybe we will do mistakes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To add the big number, to multiply the very big number, right? But if you are not going to test the calculator application and going to uh, launch in the market, what will happen? You are not able to sell that
Success. Yeah.
product,
Product. Yeah.
and if you are not able to sell the product, you will not able to generate the revenue. If you are not able to generate the revenue, you will be a what? unsuccessful businessman. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now clear, Rahman?
Okay.
See, next is what? Testing continues. Next point is what? Involvement of tester in requirement review and user story refinement. So now the question is coming, why we have to involve the tester in the requirement or in the SRS document? SRS means what? Software requirement specification, or BRD, business requirement document. Okay, clear guys? Basically it is a requirement. Customer is going to give you the requirement, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
SRS, what? Software requirement?
A specification.
A specification. Okay.
All are same
Requirement.
only. BRD also, SRS also. Okay, don't worry. So just so first thing is what they are asking, what? Involvement of tester in requirement review. So if you will get a SRS document or BRD document or requirement document, okay, so why tester is going to verify that particular document? Because maybe some of the requirement is unclear.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Some of the requirement maybe client have written, okay, that is not possible practically. Like suppose one of the customer is going to tell you, I want to go US to India by cab, Uber cab within 1 day. Is it possible? Tell me.
No.
So, might see, end customer or your client is not a technical person, correct? Yes or no? Technical
Yes.
person is what? He do not have which is feasible, which is not feasible, right? So technically we have to explain them, okay, no, within 1 day it is not possible by Uber cab from India, from US to India, or US to Bangladesh, or US to Pakistan, whatever may be, Asian countries, correct?
Yeah.
Possible? Not. Practically it is not possible. So those kind of requirement tester is going to identify in the SRS, and they are going to send for to the product owner to check, understand, and explain the feasibility of that particular requirement in front of the client. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
See, sometimes whenever you are going to driving a Uber cab, there's so many customers going to negotiate you, right? Negotiation, correct or not?
No, this is not like that. We have the app, the Uber app, just
Yes,
whatever.
Uber app, but they are what? They are using some of the coupons and all this stuff, right?
It's gonna
No,
be.
so we
It's
don't
gonna
care
offer
about
for.
it. So this is
It's gonna
part
be offer
from
for.
Uber.
Okay, like in India,
So
we
we
use.
get the job from apps. Just we check them and
Okay,
drop them.
so
That's it.
in
We don't have to
front
do
of the
anything.
management, okay, as a driver, might be you are not able to aware, okay, but management is going to offer some,
Yes, yes, they
coupon,
do that. Yeah,
Some person
yeah,
correct?
customer, yeah, they're gonna offer, yeah, offer
Offer to the
like
customer
discount.
from coupon, right?
Sometimes coupon discount. Okay, I know.
Correct.
Yeah.
Next point is what? Tester working closely with the system designer. Maybe the design fault, right? Yes or no? In the application, in the project, might be some of the design failure, right?
Yes. Maybe working closely with that system designer.
Correct. So
Yes.
tester is going to verify the design also, whether testing is what, whether design of the application is what, correct or not.
Yes.
the design, that means like some logo, some text, or some spelling, that kind of things.
No, those are those are cosmetic defect. Okay,
So
design
what
is
the
what?
design?
Suppose, let me tell you, suppose you are going to, 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 suppose you are going build the going to create an application like Facebook, correct?
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you are assuming that I am going to create an application like a Facebook, okay, then what will happen? You need to target the same type of customer, right? Especially you are
Yes.
aiming the same kind of customer will come to my platform, correct?
Yeah.
But your database size is very small, so it is
Okay.
a
So
design defect.
I get it. So that will work with the architect. So there we don't have to do anything there.
No, architect is also going to test. After creating, he is going to verify the design defect, whether design is complete or not. So also he is also going to do the testing. Not a, see, the tester who have 10 years of experience, right? He will become a
Yeah.
testing architect, right? Test
Yes.
architect, right? So that kind of person is going to test or not?
Yes.
Not I'm telling you, you are going tomorrow, you will join the project, and day after tomorrow, you are going to test the architecture, right? No. Developer is also going to test. Architect is also going to test. Okay, everyone will, one day, everyone should be a tester. Okay,
Okay.
either you are driving a car, you are a software tester, you are a developer, you are working in any mechanical plant. Ultimately, whatever you have to test. Testing is the necessary part of our life. Clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Having tester works closely with the developer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That's correct. That's
Yeah.
100%.
Yes. Tester verifying and validating the software before its release, correct? Before
Yes.
launching into the market, tester is going to verify and validate.
So it is like mostly
I know
what is
tester
the
is verified. Who's a developer also, they give me, okay, this one is go, everything is okay, you can go to market. Developer give me any say notification or anything, then let me know, okay, now is okay. First the rules developer.
No, no. Basically, what is
no.
happening? Let me tell you. Okay, Rahman, let me explain. Then suppose
Okay.
will able to understand. See, you are. Let me take the your example only. Whatever the suppose you are going to ride the any car like Mercedes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Mercedes is manufactured in their plant, right?
Yeah.
Correct? In Germany, correct?
Yeah.
Yes
Yeah.
or no? Right?
Yes.
But the infrastructure of the Germany and infrastructure of the US and infrastructure of the India all are different, right?
Yes.
Correct? So
I
what?
think so. Yeah.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter that okay, something is working good in Germany, same thing will work, very smoothly in US and India also. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you need to test that application or that particular product or that particular car in the local environment also. Not clear?
Yes. Now my question is, when
Yeah.
everything is finished, so it's gonna be uh, like is launching to our market on the tester or developer.
See, developer will not give you any kind of sign of author. Developer doesn't have the sign of authority. See,
Okay.
the mechanic who have created the car, okay, who have built the
Okay.
car, he is not give the sign off.
Okay.
The mechanic who have tested after building, after manufacturing the car, okay, that particular product tester is going to give the sign off, right? Similarly here,
Mm,
developer is only going to develop the application. After developing the application, tester is going to test the application. After testing, if he finds everything done, only tester is going to give the sign off to launch into the market or release
okay.
into the production.
Uh,
Understood,
okay.
Rahman?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Clear? Okay,
So,
good.
ठीक है, sir?
What happened?
So that was only, I can say, the what is the activities of software tester.
Exactly. The active one of the activity is what? You tester is going to sign off the product. Okay. Developer responsibility is what? To build the product, and tester
And
responsibility is what? Test the product and sign off the product to for the release.
okay, developer is there is anything is find out any problem, he's gonna go fix it, and right?
Yes.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Now we are going to discuss about the quality assurance and testing. Okay.
Hmm.
First of all, what is quality? Subos, tell me.
Mm,
What you have understand from the word
Quality
quality?
means I make it like any software.
Yeah, please
Uh,
go ahead.
Software quality means that by like by requirement fulfilled. If I
No,
fulfill the buyer requirements,
see,
uh,
requirement might be anything.
right? Okay.
We cannot define the quality like that. You are using the iPhone, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So might be the iPhone is what quality product for you, but maybe I'm not able to afford the iPhone. I'm using the Samsung. Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? So
Yes.
iPhone is not the quality product for me because I'm not able to afford that, because my budget is not that much. Correct? You cannot say that each and every person is going to buy the iPhone only in the entire world. Correct?
Yes.
Correct or not? So
Yes.
whatever the qualities depends upon person to person. Correct? Yes or no?
Okay. Yes. Depends
Second,
person to person.
person. Organization to organization also.
Okay.
Region to region also. Suppose you are staying in US. Okay, no, you are obviously you are staying in US. Okay, US environment, and your suppose you are from basically which country?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. So Bangladesh environment is not the same, right?
Yeah.
So quality product of the Bangladesh the person who is staying in Bangladesh, or the person who is staying in US,
United States. Yeah.
quality may differ or not.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
iPhone is a quality product for you, but the person who is living in Bangladesh, they are not, maybe maximum people are not able to afford that.
Yes.
Correct? Correct, Rahman, or not?
Yes.
So we cannot say that iPhone is a quality product for each and everyone. No. Quality means what? Journey towards excellence. One liner definition is what? Journey towards
Work excellence.
excellence. Correct,
To work
guys?
excellent.
Journey towards excellence, not work excellence. Journey towards excellence. That's all. So excellence means what? What are the parameters? Quality depends upon the environment and region. Quality depends upon the what? Person to person, organization to organization. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
CMM level 3 organization have the different criteria. CMM level 5 organization have the different criteria. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? Are you guys able to understand or tell me? Rahman, any doubt?
It's a
Rahman?
quality instance and testing, right?
Yeah. So quality assurance and testing. Okay. So the first things are the delivery of an optimum quality software product that has unique and innovative features has always been the priority of the software industry over no, industry worldwide. So let me tell you, maximum people is what if you are going to ask what no, whether quality assurance and testing both are same thing, they will say yes. QA, okay, I am going for QA job, I am going for tester job. They will say that, oh, both are same. Even so many people, out of 100, even the person who is taking the interview, maybe they will say that, okay, both are same. On this, why? Because we are doing the wrong practice. In the industry, the people are saying, okay, QA, no, we have opening for QA. See, hello.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, we,
Yeah, let me tell you, whatever the product you are using, correct? First, they are each and every product is what? Tested? Yes or no?
Yeah.
yes,
Then only they are going to launch into the market, right?
Yes.
yes,
Correct? But each and every organization have the different compliance, or each and every country have also the different law and compliance, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? US have the different law, Bangladesh have the different law, India have the different law, and China have the different law, correct?
Right.
So quality assurance, the use of quality QA role mostly focusing on the compliance issue, rule and regulation. Like suppose size of the iPhone 15 is what, this much. So suppose, and I'm just taking the example, 12 inch to only 12 inch. It should not be 11.5, it should not be 12.2. Clear?
mm,
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever the security features, compliance and all, that's true. But in testing, we are going to focusing on functionality of the iPhone. Now getting whatever, yes or no, functionality of the application, correct? But in QA, in compliance, is going to, okay, iPhone, what is the metal, which metal iPhone body have built? People should not mix some other metal. Whatever the compliance we have decided means decided, that's all. We cannot change in mid of that, correct?
Yes.
Without informing. Clear or not?
Yes.
Rahman, understood?
yes,
Excellent. Now,
Well, quality assurance
the
testing.
software test is essential, so do not start over from scratch again. Okay. Evaluating the ease of use of software, verification of all aspects of the software, and software test help accelerate development. You guys are agree or not? All
yes,
these 4
right.
points. Okay. See, first point is what? The software test is essential. Exactly, it is essential. That is what we have already discussed so many points, right? Without testing, we cannot
Yeah.
launch any product. Evaluating the ease of use of the software means what? Whatever the application or software or product you are using, it should be what? Easy to use, right?
Yeah.
It should not be so much complex, correct? Yes or not, Rahman?
Right. Yes.
If you are going to open a Google, it is what?
Very easy. Yeah.
Very easy, and also it is what? Not a bulky application. Home page
Right.
of Google is what? It is not like any other website, correct?
Yes.
Verification of all aspects of software means what? We need to test each and every aspects. Either it is a behavior, either it is a performance, either it is what, reliability, correct or not? Each
Yeah.
and every aspects. And software tests help accelerate development. Means that if you are going to find that defect and you are going to send to the
That
developer, your developer will be
double,
busy to fix that
fix it.
particular. Correct?
Yeah.
Clear,
Right.
Rahman?
Yes, clear.
Okay, great. Now we are going to discuss about
Error, defect, and failure.
Okay. Raman, fine, right?
Yeah.
Shall we continue or?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So now we are going to discuss about error, defect, and failure. What is error? I have already explained you. It is what? Human mistake.
Yes.
Yeah.
Defect is what? Any variance between expected and actual result
Yes.
Yeah.
or difference. Failure is what?
Failure is not any successful. Like, let's say,
You are not able to start your Uber car.
Yeah. Something is missing.
Maybe your battery is not fully charged.
no, as a software tester, like as a not the car, let's say the software world. The failure, it could be like, okay, let's say we have the plan that develop the one application within 6 months. So we cannot able to do the 6 months. This is the failure too, right?
That is the project. That is known as deadline failure, not the project failure.
Deadline failure. Okay.
Okay. In a simple, do not make so much complicated. Otherwise, right now, but because otherwise, Subos will not understand.
The failure is something like,
Failure is what? Suppose you are starting a car, you are not able to start the car. Might
Yeah,
be your
they
battery is what?
my meter is not working, or gas is problem, or tire is problem, or something is problem, engine is
Whatever, there's
problem.
so many.
So problem. So many say if anything defects is not is gonna
Any,
failure. Yeah.
see,
Yeah.
let me tell you simple example.
Yeah.
If there is a error in the application,
Yeah.
then you will get a defect. Okay.
Yes.
If there is a defect in the system, then you met with the failure. Now clear?
Failure. I can go forward. So if anything, if find out anything is failure or errors, I send to the developer. They're gonna fix it. Then I gonna start again. Next step,
Correct.
right?
Yes. So
Okay.
that is the
Yeah.
reason. Due to
You're gonna.
error, see, if someone is going to ask you, what is the reason behind the failure? You can say that defect. Maybe
Yeah.
someone's going to ask, what is the reason behind the defect? You have to say the error. So due to error, defect will come, and due to defect, failure will occur.
Yeah.
Clear or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
What are the cause of error in software?
Cause of
That's
error software. That's
the coding.
the
Human mistake. Maybe
human mistake.
developer
Yeah.
have, so many times I
Yeah.
have already discussed, right?
Yeah. Human mistake. Yeah.
Human mistake might be he forget to, he forget to write the logic. Maybe he have done
Yeah.
some syntax, issues, right?
Or we
Maybe
can do the error too. Like, let's say we write one test case. So this is not proper test case. So this is the error too or not?
exactly it is an error only because you are writing, you are a human being, right?
Yeah. So this is
So
the
due
error
to
too.
that reason, you are not able to test the application, correct? Because your
Yeah.
script itself, it is wrong, correct?
Yes.
Suppose testing the login of functionality, but you are going to test the reset password functionality, right? That page, correct?
Yeah.
Now, not all unexpected test results are failure.
Not all unexpected test results are failure.
Yes.
Something like that, we get the error, no, we get the bug, but some bug are still is like, let's say we get the bug now, but next
The
feature will become.
unexpected test result. What is that?
But unexpected test result are failure, not
Not all
that means because as a tester, they know that everything is fixed good, but sometimes it's gonna be coming failure, right? Unexpected,
Unexpected test.
unexpected.
I have already given you the example. So your driving skill, okay, to reach India within 1 day by Uber from US.
Is not possible. It's not
Not
possible.
possible.
Yeah,
So result is what? Failure, right?
yeah.
Result will be what? Not successful,
Fail.
correct?
Yes,
I have already given you this example or not? Correct?
yes.
Yeah. So try to think in that way. Okay. Next is what? Understood, Rahman?
Yes.
Okay. Be attentive in my class. Okay. What are defect, root cause, and their effects? Defect are is what?
But
Good. Difference between
But
expected and actual result,
the
right? Root cause means what? Reason behind the defect or failure. Yes or no?
yes, root cause is a failure.
And their effect means what? What is the impact of that particular root cause, particular defect? Yes or no? System will fail, right? Your application will fail to perform, right?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes or no, guys? Tell me. So
Effects.
understood?
Yeah,
Yeah, please go ahead.
yeah, yeah. This is the system. This is anything happened? Yeah,
Your system will fail.
it failed. Yeah,
Impact will be
defects, bug, anything affects the system was failed. Yeah,
your battery is not, sorry, not your means what? Your car battery is not charged, correct? Then
yeah,
you will fail to start your car, right?
right,
Due to that reason,
right.
you will, the impact will be what? You will not able to do the job on that particular day, right?
Right.
Clear, Rahman?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, today we have discussed till here. Now last 5 minutes open for your queries. Okay. 5 to 10 minutes. We are going to, whatever the query you have today related with the technical aspects, please go ahead and ask me. Any topic you have not understand. Once again, I am going to repeat right now.
I think we have to see this video and then it will raise something what you don't understand.
Okay. So from tomorrow, in this week, you till now, whatever the topic we have discussed, okay, Rahman, you will receive the technical, no, and interview questions from that. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to write the answer on that. Okay. In the Word document. So Rahman, please share your screen how to write the answer that I need to guide you.
I'm going to show you.
Yes, yes, please share your screen. Open the Word document. You can share the screen.
Don't see what happened today. Why I don't see this? Share the screen. There you go.
Okay, shall I show you then
No,
if
no,
you...
I get you.
Okay, no, no, this is not Word document.
Yeah, this is like words.
This is not, but I need a Word document. That is the reason. Okay, let me tell you. Let me share my screen. Then Subhash, you will also understand.
Okay.
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 So first of all, I'm just... Are you able to view my screen?
Yeah.
I
Not
have
yet.
just
Yeah.
opened the Word document. Okay, fine. Now hope you are able to view my screen.
Yeah.
Now go insert. Okay, go to insert. You can see that cover page, right? Click here, select this. Now here you need to type QA, means what? Question and answer. Okay,
Yeah.
do not assume that quality assurance. Okay, clear?
Are you writing something?
Yes, I'm writing. You are not able
But
to view.
no.
So
No,
this,
nothing is coming. No,
you are not able to see my screen.
my screen is blank. Nothing is coming here.
We can see the skill, but
But
nothing.
it's
What
empty.
document are you able to say?
Just it's a document, one, the word. That's it.
And manual testing.
No, nothing.
Okay,
Okay.
let me just a second. Now
Yeah.
see
Yeah.
how
No.
to
Yeah.
do
Now
that.
manual
Yeah,
test.
go to insert, go to cover page. Okay, select this. After that,
Okay.
type manual testing Q&A. Okay, and after
Okay.
that, here whatever the name you have.
But
Okay,
this we don't have. I don't have the license for the Microsoft Word.
okay, fine. You can use this whatever maybe you are going to use. Okay, you are showing something, right?
Yeah.
You have Subhash. Okay,
Yes. I see that.
now
Yeah.
after that, first question. Suppose you will receive the set of test question. What is testing? Okay,
What is the test? Yeah.
explain. Correct. After that, you have to write the answer in this way, or you can create the bullet point here. It is a process of, understood, right?
Yeah.
Verifying and validating, and then you need to add the points only. Point wise you have to write. Clear? What are the
Yeah.
parameters we are going to check? Okay, like reliability and all. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
To test the below parameter, suppose whatever may be. Okay, below parameter. Okay, so you just enter here and yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Parameter.
In
Yeah.
this way and all you have to write. Okay, clear?
So,
Okay.
what is testing? That's in this question we have to put the parameter of testing too.
Yes, yes, everything. What is testing? Explain. Explain means what? You have to include parameter also. Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So
So
from
this is
yeah,
I'm doing from from the Google Docs.
fine. Google Doc also you can share and you just paste. You can put your answer into the your document into the WhatsApp, and then before the class I will verify from the next class. Okay. So tomorrow you will receive the first assignment. Okay, Rahman and team. Okay. Try to
Okay.
complete those assignments before the next class. Clear? This is the first week. I will give very less assignments, only 10 to 15 questions, not more than that. Okay. Slowly we will gear up. Because clear, so that you will not feel that much burden.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay,
Okay.
right.
Okay. So from tomorrow, you will, once I will get the green signal from the management, I will going to put the assignment. Okay.
Okay.
Definitely tomorrow EOD, you will receive the assignments on your WhatsApp group. First assignment. Okay. So Rahman, please try to finish as soon as possible within 2 days. Okay. Before Friday, whatever the items we have discussed. Okay. Monday and Tuesday, Rahman and
Right.
Subos, both of
Yes.
you, Monday and Tuesday we have a class, right? Yes
Yes.
or
Yes.
no? Every Wednesday you will receive the assignment, right? Or maybe Wednesday or Thursday in that week. Before Friday or before Saturday, okay, Saturday EOD, at least you have to send that particular assignment with answer in the WhatsApp group, so that before the next class I will able to validate your answer. Now clear? Because I don't want to waste our time here. This platform is only for your queries, some question you are not able to understand something, right?
Right.
Correct or not? And here also, if you have some query, you can ask, no issues for that. Some confusion and all. Okay, Rahman, do you like this approach? So
Yeah,
that,
yeah. So
correct?
give us like like whatever we need to do it. Give us like Wednesday, okay? Like one day before, not the Thursday.
No, Wednesday or Thursday, maximum you will receive the assignment. Okay.
Give us the Wednesday.
Today is what?
Today is Monday. No,
For
today
you,
is
Today
Tuesday.
Monday.
to it.
Today is
Today's
Tuesday.
to it.
For you, it is what? Monday might be, but for me, it is a Tuesday night, 12. Okay, 12 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So for me now it is a 12:05, right? So for me it is what? Wednesday. Okay,
Wednesday. Okay. Yeah.
okay. So that is the reason I'm telling you, either you will
Okay.
receive
Okay.
the
I understand.
Wednesday or Thursday,
Yeah.
because for your timing. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understood, Subos, right?
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
see in India, if I will put tomorrow evening also, okay. For me it is right now it is a Wednesday, not Tuesday. It's 12 p.m. more than 12 p.m. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So it will. That is the reason I'm telling you. Rahman, understood, right?
Yes.
Okay. Any now the platform is open. Any doubt, any queries you guys have? Subos, Rahman, please. First chance I'm going to give you the Subos. Yeah, you tell me. Any doubt?
Mm.
Let me stop recording. Maybe you feel that okay. How can I ask some
Okay.
questions and all? So let me stop.